this is how to use a bubble gun. So you open this. Rem, ako na. Kini lang.
Dari, dito.
You put it under your foot
Yawan, unta
and
mo.
open.
Dito kami.
And put it here. So I'm not gonna use it because look at this. Rem,
Dito.
look at this. Look at this. Because look at this. Because look at this. We need four batteries. Yeah, we need 4 batteries. Bubuklat kay Pine.
Yawa. Ano yung gagawin mo?
That's okay.
Ano?
Kini kaya bubuklat para lalo. So look at this. I push through there. And now this one here. Like bro, we need 4. And this is my race car. And we need 5. We need 5 batteries. And this is my Optimus Prime.